Hi guys, welcome to the last part of the cPanel for Beginners course. If you made it to this point, you are a king. So here in this video, I'm going to be concluding the course and also give you some best practices, okay, on how to, keep your cPanel safe and manage it effectively. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. It is very essential that we change the password of the cPanel frequently, okay? So this from here, just scroll down or you can just click here. You can see the password and security. It is very essential that you change the password to your website cPanel frequently. That is a very good practice for you to be able to keep your cPanel and your website files safe, okay? And right here from the advanced section, this is the virus scanner right here. So it is very advisable to scan your cPanel frequently, okay? So just be sure to do that. Click here, you can scan your website and every other file that exists in your cPanel to see if there is any malware that exists in any of them, okay? It's a very good practice to be able to do that. It's very essential that you stay close to the metrics section of your cPanel, because this is actually going to be telling you everything going on your cPanel or your website. So you can as well see it from the right sidebar right here, from where it says the statistics. So you can just keep yourself updated with the current statistics of your website. And another best practice that you should be doing or you should adopt is having a frequent backup, okay? Like I said in the previous video, it is very essential for you to back up your cPanel frequently, okay? So when anything happens, maybe a server downtime and all that stuff, you can have your files intact. And the last best practice that I'm going to be mentioning in this video is the PHP version selector, okay? It's called the select PHP version, but in some cPanels you're going to see the multi PHP manager option and you will not see the select PHP version. So just know that you should go to the multi PHP manager option, okay? So in there you can be able to change your PHP version. So if you are using some content management systems like the WordPress and all the rest, sometimes their software updates and it will stop supporting the previous PHP version, and it will be highlighting to you that you should go and update your PHP version to to upgrade it, okay? So this is where you do that. Let me just go into the select PHP version. For example, if WordPress is asking you to upgrade your PHP version, you go over to your cPanel, you go to the select PHP version option, and here is where you are going to land. And you can see this is the current PHP version that I have on my server right here. This is 7.4. If I click here, I can be able to upgrade to any of these, the 8.1, 8.2, 8.3 as well. So this is how to update your PHP version. So going back, and that is actually the last best practice that I'm going to give you in this video. So if you wonder where you can get a very good web hosting service just like mine, I can tell you that mine is very good, okay? If you wonder where you can get a hosting service just like mine, I'm going to leave a link to the one I use in the description of this video, okay? So if you want to use the exact web host I use, just make sure to check the video description for the link. So just click there and you can see the one I use. You can as well purchase your web hosting from there. So I hope you enjoyed this course. If you did, let me know in the comment section. If you also have any question, still do well to let me know in the comment section. Please make sure you like the video as well, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for completing this course with me. You can follow my social media handles at NSChuksTech. I'm going to see you in another video and another course as well. See you at the top.